Okay, so the management at the Blue Ridge Inn is planning to offer a special winter weekend at its resort hotel in the mountains. There will be a special meals, entertainment, and outdoor recreation activities for the whole family, with all activities included for a fixed price per person. Market survey suggests that the number of customers C, again, be aware of the meaning of this letter. So maybe you underline number of customers is C. It's a function of the price. And what's the price? P. Be aware of that. P can be expressed by this. The number of customers will be 450 minus 2.5 times the price. All right. Find C of 100. This is just function notation. What does that mean? It means what is the value of C? What is this 100? What does that represent?
Number.
The price. When the price per person is $100. So how do we find this? Just plug it into the value of P is being replaced by 100. That's what this notation means, right? So it's going to be 450 minus 2.5 times 100. That would be, you punch it in your calculator, and you get what, 200? Okay? Using a complete sentence, interpret the result from part A. I'm going to give you a few seconds to write a sentence for that.
200.
During just a second, I'll ask you to read your sentence. Just a few moments. What does it mean when we say C of 100 equals 200? All right, Dora, give it a try.
200 is the charge they will per person.
Say that one more time.
$200 is the charge per person.
No, that's not the. What is the charge per person? In this equation here, what's the charge? So there's two things. We have P and we have C. What is this a value of? P or C? This one. C equals. So C tells you what?
200.
So you would get 200 customers when the price is? There you go. So you would write a sentence along those lines. When the price per person is $100, there will be 200 customers. In a sense, 200 customers will attend. That's what they're saying. What if they want more than 200 customers? Guess what they're going to need to do? Lower the price, right? Does that make sense to you? So if they wanted 300 people to show up, what price should they be charging? If they wanted 300 people to come to this event. So where are we going to plug in the 300? In place of P or in place of C? You just need to be aware of where you're going to plug in the number. 300 customers goes here. The price would go here. So since we know we want 300 customers, here's the equation. 450 minus 2.5P equals 300. Solve that equation for P, and then you will know the price that you need to get 300 customers, right? You have to be able to reason that out. This is the number of customers. I want to know what price should I put in here, what input is going to give me this output right here. So when you subtract 450 from both sides, that cancels out. You get negative 2.5P equals negative 150. Divide by negative 2.5. And what do you get? Can someone? 60? Now, because you have to include units, what are you going to say? 60 what?
Dollars per person.
$60. That's the price that they would have to charge if they wanted 300 people to attend their event. Last one here. Oh no, there's two more. Find C of 0. if you plug in a 0 for price, right? What would be the value of the expression here? You would have 450 minus 2.5 times 0. What is that going to give you? 450. Now, party is a little tricky. I wanted to see who could interpret that. What does that mean? Can you write a sentence to interpret your result in part D? Just like we did up here. Here we said, when the price is 100, we expect 200 customers.
When it's free?
When it's free, what?
Everybody shows up.
Not everybody. How many people?
450.
450. How come? What do you think that would represent if there was like a free something? Why would that be? What do you think that 450 represents? That would be enough though in the test. Huh? Yeah, 450 customers, but how come not 500 or 700 people? That's exactly right. That's probably what this means. You're limited. Like if you offer a free something, people will show. And the only limit is probably capacity, the room. Now you didn't have to write that to get full credit for this test. If you just wrote, when the event is free, 450 customers will come, that would be okay. Or when the price is $0, you can expect 450 people. But if you want to say, that probably means that this venue can only hold 450 people, that would also be a good observation. Very nice. All right.